Welcome to Polish Junior. My name is Emma.
And my name is Liam.
And we are so excited for this very awesome episode.
Science is awesome.
Let's check out the color lab with Mr. Herb.
Here. All right, guys. So welcome everyone. We're gonna do some color change science. What color is this right here?
White.
Kind of white, maybe clear. It just kind of looks like water, if you ask me. Can I get some help here? What? You guys see that? How'd that happen? I don't really like that color though. Jacqueline, can you help me? I don't really like this color very much. Can you squirt that in there for me? What?
Whoa!
Kind of a wizard, it's true. Every table should have some dropper bottles in front of them. 2 of them should be circled with blue on top and 2 should be circled with red. I want you to take those dropper bottles and see what happens to this pH paper when you put some droppers on them. We're adding a base and the pH strip turns blue. We're adding an acid and the pH strip turns red. So this is all color changing science.
Wow, that was so cool.
I agree. Man, am I hungry.
Oh, I think they just made some oatmeal banana bites in the cooking class.
That sounds delicious. Let's see.
We're making banana oatmeal snack treats.
Put them in the oven.
Okay, ready? Wanna try it? Yum!
Wow, those looked so yummy.
I want one of those.
Maybe next year. It's time for our final segment.
Question of the week.
Let's have a look.
Hey guys, we're here today with
Austin, Cole.
and this is Question of the Week, Post Junior Edition. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is cookies and cream.
I like chocolate.
Chocolate, that's my second favorite.
What is your personal favorite instrument?
The bass.
Thank you for sharing. What's your favorite movie?
That's a good question. I love Moana. I love that movie. What about you? What's your favorite movie?
I don't really have
You don't
one.
really have one? All movies are good.
Hi Sadie, what's your favorite show?
My favorite show is Survivor.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
Rainbow. Oh, do you play any instrument?
I do. I play the violin.
Why did you choose the violin?
Well, I started the violin when I was really little, so honestly, I don't know. Probably my parents, though.
Thank you for
Of
sharing.
course.
What's your favorite princess?
Oh, my favorite princess is Snow White.
Your
police officer.
That's right.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color.
Wait, no, what's your favorite drink?
Ooh, what's your favorite drink? You want to pass them the microphone?
Oh, that's a great question. Probably just water. I drink water like all the time.
Ooh, that's good.
So yeah, I drink water.
What about you,
I've got a gallon of water all day. How about you?
I like Sprite.
I like
Sprite?
Sprite's
Sprite's
me
good,
too.
They did such a good job.
I agree. I think we should take over full time here.
That sounds like a plan.
Thanks for tuning in to this special episode.
See you Monday with a brand new Pulse episode.
Have a good weekend.
Bye.